We're trying to find the area of the circle, so we need to know the radius. And I'm going to work this problem two different ways to show you two different equations, formulas that might help you. So the center is 2, -3, and 5, 0 is a point on the circle. So if you were to connect the center to that point on the circle, you'd have the radius. So the first thing I'm going to do is going to show you how to find, so I just need to know the distance between these 2 points. So if you're given 2 ordered pairs, x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2, to find the distance between the two, it's the square root of subtract your x's squared minus subtract your y's squared. So let's do that for these 2 ordered pairs. Doesn't matter which order pair you start with. So subtract your x's. That would be 2 minus 5 squared plus subtract your y's, -3 comma 0 squared. So that's going to give you the square root of 2 minus 5 is -3, squared is 9, plus 9, which is going to be the square root of 18. So that's the distance between the 2 points, which would be the radius. So your area is pi square root of 18 squared. Anytime you square a radical, you end up with what's underneath the radical, so it's 18 pi. So your answer is E. Now another formula I want to show you is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. This is the standard form for a circle where the center is HK, opposite sign for each. And then your radius, of course, is R. Not R squared, but R. So if I plug my center in here, I get what? I get x minus 2 for the x part. That would be positive 2, which is what I have, squared, plus y minus k, hk, which would be y plus 3, because remember it's the opposite squared, equal r squared. And we know this other order pair, 5, 0, where x is 5 and y is 0. We can plug that in. 5 minus 2 squared plus 0 plus 3 squared equal r squared. So that gives you 9 plus 9 is r squared. 18 is r squared. So you plug that in for r squared and you get 18 pi. Either way.